This is Holger. Holger is working at a furniture manufacturer, a long-time HOMAG customer. He currently spends a lot of time destacking parts from the single saw and coordinating the ensuing material flow. Could this not be simpler? Yes, with the HOMAG flexTec machines. Stacking becomes easier with less stacks, more output and more time. So Holger, does that sound interesting? But at the beginning, preparations need to be made. Should the destacking tables be aligned towards the south or the east? Should the parts be stacked by part type or chaotically? How should the material flow be arranged? What is the destination of each finished stack? Should the waste be shredded or stacked? What should happen with the offcuts? These are many questions. But no worry, our highly experienced HOMAG experts will be happy to help you. Together, we will define and implement your individual destacking strategy. Let's turn to the practical part. First, the various cutting patterns will be produced in optimization and a cutting pattern order will be issued. Following transfer to the panel saw, Holger shall receive a graphical and temporal stack preview. He can now choose to adjust the cutting pattern order and will then receive a new preview. Optionally, the cutting pattern order can be optimized with the IntelliOptimizer stacking. On average, this results in 20% fewer and higher stacks. Fewer stacks means less interruptions, resulting in increased output. As soon as Holger initiates the production, there is nothing left for him to do, and he can now dedicate himself to other tasks. A short time before the end of the procedure, Holger will receive a push message on his mobile end device regarding the expected stack change. Soon Holger's workday is over. Time for the ghost shift. This will be done fully automatically by the flexTec machine. The ghost shift can also be optimized with the IntelliOptimizer stacking. This will extend the production with improved stacks, more parts and thus more output for the following day. Sounds great, doesn't it? But it gets even better. The added implementation of the automatic stack removal provides for the additional extension of operator absence and production of more stacks. This is of great advantage both during the day and during the night. This was a lot of information, therefore we'll list once more an overview of the advantages of HOMAG destacking. Support by HOMAG experts. 20% better with IntelliOptimizer stacking. Graphical and temporal stack preview. Ghost shift for increased output. Option for automatic stack removal. Holger is delighted. Find out for yourself.